In this video, you'll learn how to download e-statements from CIBC. Whether you want to keep a digital copy for your records or just check recent transactions, this process is straightforward and simple. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the official CIBC website. If you haven't already bookmarked it, just type CIBC into your browser's search bar and click on their official site. Once there, log into your account using your card number and password. It's important to ensure you're entering this information securely, so make sure you're on a private device and avoid using public Wi-Fi if possible. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of your account. From here, navigate to the My Accounts section. This is your central hub, where you can access various features and settings related to your accounts. Now, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You should see an option labeled View e-Statements. Go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to provide easy access to your electronic statements, making it a breeze to review or download them whenever needed. Once you're in the e-Statements section, you'll be presented with a list of your available e-statements. These are organized by month, allowing you to quickly find the statement you're looking for. Browse through the list and choose the month of the statement you want to download. This feature is particularly handy if you need to review a specific period or track your spending over time. After selecting the desired statement, look for the download option. It's typically indicated by a download icon or button next to the statement details. Click on this download option, and the e-statement will be saved directly to your device. This gives you the flexibility to view it offline, print it out, or save it for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded your e-statements from CIBC. It's a quick and efficient way to keep track of your financial history and stay organized. Remember, regularly reviewing your statements not only helps in budgeting, but also in spotting any unauthorized transactions early on. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, take care and happy banking.